Good afternoon, students. So let us see the way we can discern this question and solve it. If the length of a simple pendulum is halved, if the length of a simple pendulum is halved, don't forget, note this particular statement. Now, its frequency is what? Its frequency is what? So, if the length of a simple pendulum is halved, what is the value of the frequency? What will be the nature of the frequency? Now, let's look at the way we solve this. Now, the connection between frequency and the length of a pendulum, as frequency increases, the length reduces. So the frequency is inversely proportional to the length of the cord. So which means F is inversely proportional to what? To the L. F is inversely proportional to what? To L. So as frequency increases, the length reduces. Or when you reduce the length of a pendulum, the faster the rate of the oscillation. That is the meaning of frequency. So when you talk about frequency, frequency means rate of oscillation or the number of complete oscillations per unit time or per seconds. That is the meaning of frequency. Now, we cannot say that, okay, as frequency increases, length should increase. No, it doesn't happen in that way. But as frequency increases, the length has to become reduced. So that's what it means. Now, we are given the length of this pendulum to be half now. So if the length is half, for instance, now, if we have F is proportional to what? 1 over what? 1 over L, right? 1 over L. Now, if L is what? That is 1 over 2. 1 over 2. Let's say that, okay, L2 is 1 over 2 of L1, for instance. And let me call this one to be what? To be F is what? Inverse proportional to what? To F. So we can use our formula F as F equals to K over F. We can say K equals to what? F L. Now, we want to find the frequency, the new frequency now. The old frequency is what? Is F1, I mean. New frequency is F2. This one is old. This one is new frequency. And this one is new frequency. So if our K1 cannot be what? F1, L1, right? So K2 will be what? If K1 is equal to F1, L1, K2 becomes F2, L2. So when you equate the two constants together, if K1 equals to K2, we now have F1, L1 equals to F2, L2, right? So we want to make F2 now the subject of the formula, the new frequency now. So we now have what? We can divide both sides by L2 by L2. So L2 will cancel what? L2 here, right? So here we now have F2 equals to F1, L1. Now divided by what now? What is L2? L2 is what? L2 is L1 over 2, right? So which means I'm going to have 2F1 L1 over L1. Don't forget that. We are going to have F1 L1 divided by L1 over 2. But when you divide F1 L1 by L1 over 2, the 2 we have here will be transferred to the numerator. That becomes 2F1 L1 divided by L1. So L1 will cancel what? L1. L1 divided by 2, which means the frequency will now be increased by what? By 2. That is 2F1. 2F1. So the frequency will increase by a factor of 2. By a factor of 2. That is 2F1. By a factor of 2. So that is option B. So in physics, we don't just guess, we don't just predict. You do the calculations, you do the provings, that's the evidence. You show the evidence for the result you are going to get here. And that's how to arrive at the right answer. So your conviction must be connected to the evidence given to you. You have a question, then prove it before you decide the right answer. So thank you very much.